stars that sank through endless night.
His mind a storm, his hands a spark. He built the dawn inside the dark.
They called him mad, they called him wrong.
The lightning hummed his secret song.
He whispered power is not flame,
It's love in motion
without name. His symphony we start to hear.
He walked alone through sleepless years, with empty hands and eyes of tears.
Yet in his silence, towers grew.
The world was bright, the sky was new.
He gave his dreams and lost his gold, but truth was something never sold.
The storm obeyed his lonely heart and danced in rhythm with his heart. Lightning blazed across the night, revealed the soul behind the light. He spoke with stars, he spoke with fire. His pulse became the earth's desire.
He said, I see the future's face.
The wires hung with human grace.
His eyes were tired, his heart was clear. The world will catch me, not this year.
He closed his eyes, but not his flame.
The thunder still repeats his name.
And in the hum of neon streams,
We hear the echo